Imagine strolling through your lush, thriving garden with your morning coffee in hand, knowing your plants are completely pest-free without you ever having to bend over and scrub away bugs. Picture this: no more sticky white cotton clusters hiding under your favorite houseplant leaves. No more watching your beautiful succulents slowly wither away. And absolutely zero back-breaking work on your part. Today I'm sharing 3 secrets to destroy mealybugs forever using nothing but a simple pantry oil you probably already have sitting in your kitchen cabinet right now. And wait until you see secret number 3, because it's a brilliant trick of nature that perfectly targets the bad bugs while leaving your beautiful, helpful ladybugs completely unharmed. Let's start with something most people never learn about insects. And once you understand this, you'll never look at pest control the same way again. Secret number 1 is what I call the no-lung secret, and it's all about targeting their hidden weakness. Here's the thing: unlike you and me, insects don't have lungs or even a circulatory systems that carries oxygen around their bodies. Instead, they exchange gases directly through a branching network called the tracheal system. Air enters and exits through 9 to 10 pairs of microscopic valves called spiracles, and these tiny openings are located along the sides of their thorax and abdomen. Now here's why this matters to you. These spiracles are only micrometers in diameter, which means they're incredibly sensitive to physical barriers and liquid surface tension. Think of it this way: these bugs don't breathe through a nose on their head like we do. They actually have dozens of tiny noses running right down their ribs. So when you're treating mealybugs, you're not trying to poison them through their stomach. You're simply blocking those 10 microvalves they need to breathe. Here's a smart tip that saves you tons of energy. Don't waste time soaking the tops of the leaves, where you rarely find bugs anyway. Instead, use a lightweight spray wand to gently mist the sides and undersides of the plant stems, where the mealybugs actually hang out. You can do this sitting down in a comfortable chair. No bending required. Now let me ask you something. Did you know bugs breathe through their ribs? Or did you always think they had tiny noses on their faces, like I used to? Drop a comment and let me know, because I was absolutely shocked when I first learned this. Alright, now that you understand where bugs breathe, let's talk about secret number 2, which is the capillary death trap and why oil beats water every single time. You've probably tried spraying mealybugs with plain water before, and you noticed it just rolls right off them, like water off a duck's back. That's because water has high surface tension. It beads up and slides away without penetrating those tiny spiracles. But oil is completely different. Oils like horticultural oil, neem oil, or even diluted cooking oil are what scientists call lipophilic, which just means they love fat and they have much lower surface tension than water. When you spray oil, it spreads out and pulls deep into the insect's spiracles through something called capillary action. Here's the magic formula: a highly diluted 1 to 2% solution. That's just 10 to 20 milliliters of oil per 1 liter of water. Forms a micron-thick film that blocks 100% of oxygen intake. The trapped carbon dioxide causes cellular toxicity, and the bug asphyxiates within hours. Let me put this in grandma terms. Imagine your nose plastered with sticky cooking grease. You couldn't breathe either, right? Water just rolls off a bug, but oil sticks fast and completely plugs up their noses. Now, here's the lazy gardener's dream tip. Mix your 1 to 2% oil solution in a small handheld trigger sprayer that you keep right on the porch. A quick one-handed spritz is all you need. No heavy pump-action backpack sprayers, no mixing up giant batches, no storing chemicals in your garage. Just grab, spray, done. You can literally treat your plants while you're watering them with your morning coffee still in your other hand. Let me pause here and ask you, are you currently wrestling with expensive, toxic chemical sprays? Or have you ever tried mixing a simple pantry oil remedy like this? I'd love to hear your experience in the comments. Now we're ready for secret number 3. And this is the one that blew my mind when I first discovered it. I call this the armor effect, and it's basically a smart bomb that only kills the pests you want gone. Here's how it works. Soft-bodied insects like mealybugs and aphids have thin cuticles, covered by a weak wax layer. Because oil is a lipid solvent, it easily melts this protective wax, penetrates the skin, and clogs those spiracles we talked about earlier. But here's the genius part. Hard-bodied beneficial insects like adult ladybugs have thick chitin armor and highly evolved, tightly closing spiracle valves. A 1 to 2% oil solution effectively kills 90 to 95% of soft-bodied pests, while boasting an over 80% survival rate for hard-bodied natural predators. Let me paint you a picture with Grandma's wisdom. Mealybugs are wearing cheap paper raincoats that oil melts right through, but our helpful ladybugs wear slippery iron armor, so the oil just slides right off without hurting them one bit. This is what I call smart gardening, not hard gardening. You apply your gentle oil spray once to knock down the mealybugs, then you sit back in your favorite porch chair and let the surviving ladybugs happily eat up any stragglers for you. Nature does the heavy lifting while you enjoy your iced tea. And if you have pets or grandkids running around, this is infinitely safer than those harsh chemical pesticides that come with skull and crossbones warnings on the label. A simple diluted oil spray is non-toxic to mammals. It won't harm your curious cat or your toddler grandson who loves touching everything in the garden. So let's bring this all together. You now know that mealybugs breathe through tiny valves along their ribs, not through their mouths. You understand that a simple 1 to 2% oil solution suffocates them by blocking those valves through capillary action. And you've discovered that this same solution is a precision weapon that wipes out the bad bugs while protecting your beneficial garden allies. Now picture this scene. It's a beautiful Saturday morning, and your neighbor Linda walks by your porch. She stops dead in her tracks, staring at your absolutely gorgeous, pest-free plants, spilling over with lush green growth and vibrant blooms. She leans over the fence and says, "How on earth do you keep your garden looking so expensive and perfect? Mine is covered in those awful white bugs, and I've spent a fortune at the garden center." You just smile, hold up your little spray bottle, and say, "Just a secret I learned. Takes me 2 minutes a week." She'll think you spend thousands on a professional gardener, but you and I both know you're just working smarter, not harder. If you love gardening smarter instead of harder, do me a favor and subscribe to the channel right now so you don't miss next week's video. where I'm going to show you how to turn your morning coffee grounds into a zero-effort fertilizer. That makes your tomatoes absolutely explode with fruit. Seriously, you'll be giving bags of tomatoes away to the neighbors because you'll have so many. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these 3 secrets surprised you the most? And are you going to try the simple oil spray method this week? Drop a comment below and let me know, because I read every single one. And I love hearing about your gardening wins. Happy gardening. And remember, the best gardens are grown by the smartest gardeners, not the hardest working ones.